What's up everybody, it's me Muhammad Shahrul Nizam, and today I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to make a coffee with an old school style, but not here. Okay, so we are here. So without any delay, let's get started. There are a few things needed to be prepared before we can start making a coffee. From the right, we have a grinder, and then we have a coffee bean, we have a mini stove, we have a gas here, and lastly we have a mocha pot. Okay, so we need to fill up this grinder with coffee beans. Put it inside here. Then we start grinding. Here we go. Open up our mocha pot. Fill this up until it reach. Okay, next we're gonna install this, which this one we will put the coffee powder into this very gently. So we cover back with the top part of mocha pot. Now we're gonna put this on the stove. Gently adjust the fire level. We just need to wait for the mocha pot brewing the coffee for you. Special brew with mocha pot.